Australia is home to just over 27 million people. Yet every year, this nation generates hundreds of billions of dollars through trade with the rest of the world. But here's the surprising part. Australia doesn't manufacture most of the world's smartphones. It doesn't build the most cars. And it isn't home to the world's biggest population. So how does Australia make so much money? The answer lies beneath its ground, across its farms, inside its universities, and through industries that many people rarely think about. Let's discover how Australia makes billions every year. If Australia's economy had a heartbeat, mining would be it. Australia is one of the world's largest producers of iron ore, gold, lithium, bauxite, coal, and natural gas. Iron ore is used to produce steel for buildings, bridges, ships, and railways. Lithium powers the batteries inside electric vehicles, smartphones, and laptops. Gold remains valuable for investment, jewelry, and electronics. These resources are exported to countries around the world, helping support Australia's economy. Mining also creates thousands of jobs and contributes to many regional communities. Producing resources is only part of the story. Australia also exports them across the globe. Massive cargo ships leave Australian ports carrying iron ore, natural gas, agricultural products, and other goods. International trade connects Australian industries with customers worldwide. Export income helps businesses grow, supports employment, and contributes to government revenue that funds public services. Australia isn't just rich underground. It's also productive above the ground. The country exports products such as wheat, beef, wool, wine, dairy, and other agricultural goods. Modern farming uses advanced technology, large-scale machinery, and efficient production methods. Australian agriculture supplies food and raw materials to many international markets while supporting rural communities. Not every export is loaded onto a ship. Education is also an important export. Students from around the world choose Australian universities and colleges for higher education. Their spending on tuition, housing, transport, and daily living contributes significantly to the economy. Australia also exports professional services, financial expertise, technology, tourism experiences, and creative industries. These sectors generate income without relying on natural resources alone. The world is changing. Demand for clean energy, battery technology, and critical minerals is increasing. Australia's large reserves of minerals such as lithium place it in an important position for industries linked to electric vehicles and renewable energy. At the same time, the country continues investing in technology, infrastructure, education, and innovation. The challenge will be balancing economic growth with environmental sustainability and long-term competitiveness. Australia's success isn't built on just one industry. It's powered by a combination of natural resources, agriculture, education, services, innovation, and global trade. These sectors work together to create opportunities, support jobs, and connect Australia with the rest of the world. But one question remains. Can Australia continue making billions as the global economy evolves? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy documentaries about Australia's economy, business, and future, subscribe to the Aussie Blueprint, where we explain the forces shaping one of the world's most successful economies, one story at a time.